night and then save the global variable night to it. So this is saved. We are saving the increased value of night. We go to the loading. Wait, we're not going to the loading. We're going to the menu. Where is the menu? Menu. We're being thrown back here. Menu. And at the beginning of the scene, we set. I don't need that. We set the global variable night. Wait. We first of all, I kind of want a sub event, just for clarity. Storage. Reader value. Storage name is general. Group name is night. And I will write that in temp night. And then I will set the global variable. This is the only way to do it. Global variable night set to variable temp night. So temporary. So we say this thing if we move cursor is on menu options. Oh wait, actually we can add a new one. If it's on continue, then set the text of continue to continue plus the global variable night, so we can see it. Also, I need a little space in there. That would be kind of fun to have. So we have this, and now we continue, and it reads 1 here. We press continue. Oh, we don't do anything. If new game set night to 1 and save it in the storage. If click on continue, then don't do anything, and change to loading. So we have night 6, and if we click on custom, we will be taken to another scene that I haven't set up yet. So this should work. We're having new game, first night. I will quit. I will go back in. I will continue first night, and I will go here to night 6, and then we have it. I'll just change. Oh wait, I can skip through. Right. We continue. Oh, now we continue with 6 because that's, look, we started night 6. We it's stored tonight in the storage, and now we are here with night 6. So now we should be able to go in night 6. Press F to previous specs and change to night 7. So now it should say continue night 7. The problem is, the problem is that we do not want that, because we only want to have it being displayed to night 5. So we have to add that here as well. I'll just randomly throw it in. I don't even care about groups anymore. If global variable night is greater than 5, set scene variable, we'll just use another scene variable for it. Scene variable of night display is 5 value of. So if it's not, or just like generally, I don't care, global variable night. So basically we're saying night display is the same as the global variable unless it's bigger than 5, so it's still 5. So we touch it, we do this, and we don't want the global variable, we just want the variable which is our night display. So even though we are on night 7, it will still say night 5 here. If we click this, we should be taken to a scene that says 12 a.m. night 7. Perfect. Perfect. So, thing is, now we want to go here, continue, go to loading scene. If night is equal or bigger than 5, let's just set it like this. Then I will do this, set night to 5, and start the night. I cycle through, I get everything. Oh right, I need the toggle for the thing. Actually, you know what? You remember me saying I don't care about things anymore? I might care now. If night is bigger or equal to 5. Wait, if I beat night 5 I get a star, if I beat night 6 okay, so if it's bigger than 5, set global variable, what is it? Progress, night value is true. I actually want a boolean for this. If night bigger than 5, set beat 5 to true. If bigger than 6, set beat 6 to true. And if bigger than 7, so 8. If it wait, it doesn't do that, right? Yeah, okay, we'll have to do that in the 6 a.m. scene. If night is or bigger than 8, set 7 to true. Beat 7 is basically our 6 star. Talking about it, if I can't draw one shape then it's stars. We will have to go with that. That's the best I can do. Everyone has an ID, like this, like that. That looks pretty cool. We have 0, we have 1, we have 2. And then we say if this is true, star value ID 0. So the star ID is 1. And beat 5 is true. 6, 7. 6 and 7. And we have the 0, we have the 1, and we have the 2. 1, 2, 3. Left control and escape, which is used to erase all data. Because why not? I set 7 to false, and I will change the scene to the loading scene. So Control Escape opens the menu. Nice. Left Shift Escape, left Control, and Return is pressed. I may have changed it to the wrong scene. Warning, of course. So we have those stars. We go back here. Works perfectly. We're done here, and it's not good. Why? Oh, because I'm writing it first and then setting it. And reset night 1. Perfect. Looking absolutely great. So, we need the custom night setting now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give those added variables. Character ID. Where am I? There I am. We have at beginning of scene icon ID character is 0. Character is kind of confusing me because usually that's just one character and not a number, but I guess I'll just have to deal with that. Tint. I have copied that. I have definitely copied that. Well, okay, we'll have to find our nice brown value again. Yellow. We have a blue for Bonnie. Looks like a nice blue for Bonnie. And we have an orange for Foxy. Red orange. So we should have Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy. Nice. Like this. And we have an object variable called car. because that's what we named the other thing as well. What? 2, 3. So we now say at the beginning, actually always, if AI value car is 0, modify text AI to global variable Freddy AI. So we have Foxy AI. So those are 0 now. We now need arrows. Font size was this 80, right? 80. Okay, cool. So this is 80 as well. Where is? Come on here. Come on. 80. We do this. I absolutely don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, you might have noticed the UI changed a little bit. A few new versions have dropped since the last time I recorded, but that doesn't matter at all. What do I have? I have... So we'll give this thing a character variable. We now need click on object. So if mouse button is click down, cursor on arrow. Now this will be a little tricky because I only have one object arrow and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 objects for each of those panels here. So we go here, we have those things. Actually, wait a minute. No, wait, no. This is bad. Okay, what am I doing? Just do something. Rotation. It's called angle. Yep. If angle AI is not 0, I don't know, man. This is 0, angle is 0. If not 0, then this thing, this is up. So I will comment that, so I will find it again. I already have it selected, that's cool. Arrow, boolean text, car. Wait, can I already select the thing? Oh, I could directly talk to the I could directly talk to the thing as well, to the object. Sorry, I can't talk. Value, subtract 1. Does that work? Does that work? And also, if AI value is greater than 0, so it will not go below 0. There is no way this works. Of course it wouldn't. Why would it? What am I doing? Get rid of those and say if car arrow is car AI. No, wait a minute. Car for every. Oh, for every. Which actually should be taken care of by this as well. So I don't know. And we have the AI. We modify it to AI dot variable. Oh, screwed up. Variable value. So this should. So everything should be 7. Oh, I mean, I would have to update it every frame to actually see what is changing. Yeah, god damn it. Anyway, we now have this working. I don't know if I can just drag it into one event. I can. Okay, cool. So we have this, we have that. We actually can have this as a parent event, and then drag those things down. So I'll delete that. I'll delete that. I know what it's doing. Can you please leave me alone? Thank you. If I'm on the thing and is the thing, and the thing is not 0, then increase it. Why wouldn't it increase it? Bigger than 90, smaller than 90. Honestly, I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Side, characteristic, increase, value, change. I don't know. Actually, we could name it better. Increase. So we have increase. Oops. Increase true. Increase true. Increase true. Oh, because I don't have an option selected. I'd rather select that first. Yeah, there we go. Is true. Now it quits the game, huh? Now it works. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back. I have no idea what happened. I have added a boolean to it, so it says this is increase false and this is increase true, and suddenly it works. I have no idea what it did, how it, why, but it works, so I will take it. We have up to 20, and that's pretty good. Nice. So we have this, we have that, we have those things. I would love to have to write the things in the thing. Is 0, which is Freddy. Then store as write a global variable. Value of a global variable, which is Freddy AI. Set to AI dot the variable value. So we get the value from each and write it into the global variable. Foxy. This should work. This should work, you know. I will override custom night with the thing for testing. Modify title to a global variable. Freddy AI. I hope I spelled everything right. Foxy. Okay, cool. So we should have the AIs now, and they actually work pretty well. I am happy about that. And yeah, so we can delete this, and we now have our custom night. Except there's one thing missing. What could it potentially be? The ready button. Maybe up a little. Maybe. Maybe, you know, maybe. This doesn't look that bad. Looks a little bad, but not that bad, you know. I will let that be. I will definitely let that be. Do this over there. Chica kinda wants a darker yellow, so we can see the white font on it better. Chica, this darker. So this should make Chica's AI a little more visible, and we're good. Add sub event. Do this is on. Bam. And same thing for here. Do this. Where is it? There we go. Is on arrow. Do that. I don't care. And is on ready. Then change scene to loading. Yep. And change the night. Do I change the night? Well, I do, yes. Value. Variable. Global variable. Nice. Global variable. Night equals 7. Change to loading. Has that always been like that? I don't care. this, do that. If is seen, climb to, yep, okay, cool. Get the value. I think I should turn this around. I think I should say Foxy. If those are 20, then set night number to 8, because that's actually what is supposed to happen. Because I have moved the logic from the custom night to the loading, where I will say, hey, this is the custom night now. So we have those things. We can set everything to 20 except for one. We set ready. We have night 7. Oh, because only then I update the text value. I don't know. So I'll do this real quick and just set this to once. Is this a sub event of the thing? Yeah, of course it is. So we'll change this thing right here. So like this and that. This would be fine. That should also be fine. Oh, that's not fine. I need you here as well. So if you go back to custom night and we start from 20, this should be night 8. We have night 8. Okay, so we have the most infos we need. I've slightly modified it so we don't see the outlines anymore. Kind of weird. It's kind of too much on screen. We have the position, we have the AI, we have the Foxy time, and we have the FPS. Currently looking like this, so you can always see what is going on, when it's going on. The camera is kind of weird, but I don't know if I will fix that, or if I'll just leave that in. Anyway, let's test it with the custom night. This is not the custom night. I was like, why is this so high up? But I am centering it in the events, that's why. So we have 20, we have 7, we have 13, and we have 4. Let's go. That's 7. As you can see, works perfectly. They moved, Bonnie moved. Wait, how did Bonnie move? Even though Bonnie has like the smallest AI, that's not true, but like almost. And Freddy, I want you to run up. He can't. He can't, because I am currently looking at this camera. There he goes. I am dead now. Okay. Hey, that's pretty cool. Also, that means that I was doing good stuff, and I'm surprised. So we have this, we have that. We do not have a death screen. I'll just do that real quick. We have killed by. Now we say killed by, because this is important. 1 will be Bonnie. Sheka 3. And Foxy is 4. We check the global variable. Killed by, we just said, is bigger than, or actually is, yeah, I don't know, is bigger than 0. And if that is the case, then we change the scene to death. Yes. Actually, we'll only have to do that at the beginning of the scene. So let me just have this here. Beginning of the scene. If killed by 1, then modify text 2. Killed by new line, please. Freddy. And same for the other few. So, like this. So we can test it by going custom 9, setting Freddy to 20 and going ready. Opening the monitor, and there we go. Freddy will run towards us. How long do you take to kill me? Okay, killed by Freddy. Hey, nice, cool. Also, we need another one. We need a fifth. Scene variable is if power is smaller or equal to... No, wait a minute. Smaller than 0. So -1. Then we'll set it to 5. And then we have here killed by power out. Power out small. That's pretty good, So we can test this by setting this to 0.01. Killed by power out. Nice. And we wait 6 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and we are back in the menu where we can do things. And I will hide this because this should not work. It actually doesn't. It actually doesn't work. That's cool. Imagine being hyped for when something doesn't work. Hide bonus and hide custom. If night, oh, I have night here. If night is bigger or equal to 5, actually if night is bigger or equal to 6, then show those things again. So we need this, show, yes, this, show, yes, perfect. So this should work, that we don't see thing. That's cool, that's pretty epic, that's pretty nice. Okay, cool. So this should work. We have night 6 now. This is how I playtest my games, by the way. And we have 3 stars, and we have everything unlocked. Nice! That's pretty cool. Everything. Press Control plus return to erase data. Like just below this. This actually looks fine. Left and return, do that. If I press 2 on numpad, then set this to true and set those 5. I don't care that I have things in not good order. 6, they're not good. 6. Whoops. Whoops. We have this. We have left control 1. Oh, I should hover over it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Works just fine. What I wanted to do? What did I want to do? What me want doing? Oh yeah, there's one more thing that we need to do, which are the settings. I will probably just put it up here and say duplicate settings. Where did I put it? I put it here, in between, right here. And we say settings, and that's pretty cool. We have a new scene that is close to the menu or not. I'll just close everything, all of those open tabs here. Bye, see you later. New scene, I don't care, just like new scene and we're good. Settings. And on press, we go to the settings scene, where we are right here. Settings, title, settings, white, settings 100, settings right font art, font family, font art. And we have a thing, a icon, a box. That is white. Oh, actually, I can use door buttons. Yo, I will use the door buttons. I will use the door buttons. We have those. I will edit variable ID number 0 by invar by instance variable, which I'm setting up right now. Content and string. It already is a string. That's pretty cool. Little smaller. How small? 75 should work. Should look good. Yeah, you know what. Cool. We have those. We have hard mode by invar. So we now set beginning of scene. Modify text to by invar dot variable content. So all of those should now have their thing there. The text I've just written down into this field right here. So also I want to tint all of those objects a slight red. We have hard mode. Actually, I kind of want to have it like a dark red, kind of like disabled. What is it? Disabled button have color like gray. I'll just put it gray. I don't mind. I don't care. Mouse button touch or held. Yep. Trigger once. Yep. And cursor is box. Do this. Tint box to actually. We need a boolean active. And if this boolean is true, set this color, and if boolean is false, set this color. This is the exact same color. We'll change it to nice green. This looks cool. And if it's false, then do this. So we have this. We can toggle hard mode. Okay, colors actually look pretty cool. Colors look pretty epic. We have weird filters for I don't know why. We have full debug. Why did I do that? Why am I bad? full debug. So we have those, bum bum bum, and or we cannot do that, or do this, or whatever. And I will have another one, which is called Fast Nights. Let's decrease the font size a little bit. Like this. So, okay, over there. So we have this, we have what else could I need? I don't think anything, so we'll just leave it like that. We'll have this, and we'll have one that is called busk. I actually don't care. Back 75, 76. I cancel it. That's a little too big. Back, and we set it here, and if this is here and this is here and this on back, then change scene to menu, I guess. Key, pressed escape, pressed go to menu. Okay, so we have, wait a minute. I could do it with the okay, whatever. Anyway, we here check the first of all box ID. For every box ID, not for every, for every would be a loop, and we're not having a loop here. Active is true. Then set boolean or do we? No, we don't. Or do we? Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll just do it. Global variable cheat1 is true. If1, if2, 3, and 4 and 3 and 2, and also I have to change those variables. 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. We have a new, I opened a new text document to see 0, 1, 2, 3, to write down actually. We have cheat 1, we have cheat 2, cheat 3, and cheat 4. Cheat 1 is filter, almost. Cheat 1 is hard, cheat 2 is filters, 3 is debug, and 4 is fast. Okay, so we have those here. This is kind of bad. I will have to move it over here to make it look a little better. Pretty good, pretty epic. We have those in the thing. Actually, I will drag this down here. So we can only escape after this thing is set. And we'll set everything to false. Kinda like not optimal, but also it works. So yeah. Let's just check, you know. Let's just check. Global variable string cheat 1 plus cheat 2 plus cheat 3 plus cheat 4. False. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. And yeah, okay, works perfectly. If global variable cheat 1 is true, then set our duration to 80 because it's more difficult. Set this will automatically take care of those things. Anyway, we have animatronic MOs for movement opportunity, so the intervals where they can move. I will take those to set those up because I will need to modify it right now. Do this, do that. Yep. So we have those. That's pretty cool. So we have 5 seconds here. Here we have just 4.5 seconds. What else? What else can we do to make it more difficult? Change it to net 7. You will only get out 7 AM. No, we're not gonna do that. But we will change this to CD plus instead. To make it accurate, you know. Now that we're like almost done with it. CD plus add. Actually, I will bring an OR in to have like the regular add as well. The problem, I don't think that will work, but whatever. We have this. It's just faster and need to survive longer. That's it, right? Seems like it. Okay, cool. What else do we have? We have filters, so we need to apply those filters first. Gets this CRT with a 20 frequency, 0.3 interlace speed. What else do we have? We have a base layer. Wait, I do have a... Wait a minute, I do have a color map lying around somewhere. Wait a minute. This will have every other color black and white. This looks pretty sick. This looks pretty sick. Oh my god, doors are awful. This does look pretty sick. Okay, cool. We will go with that. I will get rid of that of the things. Okay, I don't. What else do we have? Do we have something else? Blending map, blur, color map, brightness, glitch. I could add glitch, you know. Pixelate seems cool. Pixelate sounds like the thing we need in our lives. This isn't too bad. Can we make it worse? Wait, size. I'm always confusing this. Size. If it's... higher, then this is bigger, and if bigger, then oh my god. Okay, works fine. See that. The problem is I also need that for the camera then. Pics, and we need 15. So this is there. We have the, oh my god. Okay, you know what? Can we avoid that? Can we make it a little better? This looks disgusting. But actually, you know what? It's pretty okay. It's pretty okay. We will delete that. I will go here. I will do that. I will say disable effects. I can disable parameters? Parameters. Enable effect, please. Wait. Enable layer effect. Oh, because those are the object effects. Okay, cool. We have, look at that. We have effect. Enable no. We have effect 2. We have effect 2 for layer camera. I think all the others don't have effects, right? Camera. So we have camera and base layer. Camera and base layer. Nice. So we have this. We set this to if filter 2 is true, then set all of those to active. So like yes. Yes. So now we should have this thing. We can test it real quick. We have this. We have normal game. We have pretty normal game. Pretty cool. We go to settings. We set weird filters. We continue, and we have our weird filters. Cool. Wait. Oh, they have. They have the thing. They are the group, and then they are in the color. Ah, I see. Oh my. Bye. Bye settings. Bye settings. Where are those handled? Hey, hello everybody. Sorry for the weird format and audio quality. I don't know if it's any different. Just wanted to add a little bit to the game, a little for the atmosphere, because you see it's pretty flat here. In the actual FNAF 1 or in the original FNAF 1, there's this like perspective thing. GDevelop does not have a direct option to add that perspective, but it does have layer effects, and we'll just simulate that now with a displacement map texture. That's what it's called. So we just add a new layer effect, which is called the displacement. There you go. And we choose a displacement map. This up here. I was yeah, okay. So and then we'll say scale on x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 200. Shut up, phone. Phone just rang. And shut up. And then we preview it, and voila, we have a displacement map texture, whatever, and therefore the perspective in our game, which looks pretty cool, pretty sick. Haven't gotten that to work in for Seven Nights at Freddy's. Kinda sucks, but also Seven Nights at Freddy's was not a game where you sit in your office and scroll through the office. It's just a one-screener. So yeah, there you go. Just wanted to add that. It's literally this easy. You can download it. The displacement texture somewhere. I might link it also in the description. Whatever. Just wanted to show you. There's the the displacement. I'm gonna stop recording now. You see what I mean? Okay, bye. We actually should be done. I have this project already built at the time you see this. So you can play this game right now for yourself by checking out the link in the description. You will find a GameJolt page. I guess I'll set it up there. Yeah, be sure to tell me if something is completely broken, or how you think the game is, or if it's good, if it can be improved, how... I mean, I have a lot of things that I could improve just like right away, or that I could say that could be improved, but I kind of want to have it keep the charm, you know, the like feeling of, hey, someone made this in like a few hours for a YouTube project, and not because he wanted to make the best game that has ever existed. Also keep that in mind while playing that, okay? I will probably also write that in the GameJolt description of the game, that this was made somewhat in a rush. We are done. I am done recording. I'm not done editing. When will I have time to edit the like 8-hour footage I have? So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for staying with me in this journey. We have ourselves a FNAF game made in a few hours in GDevelop. Link in the description. And so we can take a rest and get a big tick on our to-do list on this project, because we actually have a FNAF game now. It's pretty cool. Night 0. Why? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!